First, you need a 14-inch wreath ring, some multicolored deco mesh, some pipe cleaners, scissors, and a ruler. You want to start off with cutting your deco mesh into 6-inch sections. For the 14-inch wreath, I used 6 rolls of deco mesh. Next, you're going to want to roll the deco mesh and stack them into bundles of 4. You can use something heavy to hold them down while you're rolling. I used my scissors. Once you've finished 4 sections, make 2 X's and then place them on top of each other. Next, you're going to want to take a pipe cleaner and wrap it around the 4 pieces. You will give it 2 or 3 twists. Do this for all of your deco mesh so it's all prepped and you don't have to go back to rolling or cutting, and you can just attach all of them to the wreath at the same time. Now we're going to attach the bundles on the ring wreath. You're going to take your bundles and wrap them around the 2nd and 3rd or the 2 center rings and twist it into place. Put 6 bundles on each section. There are 6 sections on the wreath, so you'll need around 36 bundles for this project. After you attach your bundles, you can either wrap your stems around the wreath or cut the stems off. It's just your preference, either way works. And that's all you need to do to make your very own Spring Deco Mesh Wreath. I'm adding a sign to my wreath, but you can add flowers or anything else you can think of to the wreath. Be creative. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. I'm going to try to post 2 DIY videos each month, so stay tuned.